Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming requirements. Update the Xbox and Minecraft so mods-compatible features exist. Next, make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account and have accessible storage. This prevents file permission issues later. Once done, open Minecraft Bedrock and install a free marketplace add-on to verify that importing content works. This initial test proves the import path and establishes a working backup before you bring third-party content onto the console. You'll use a PC to get Bedrock format mod files, McPack/McCadden. This format is what Xbox accepts, so convert otherwise incompatible files first. Once downloaded, transfer files via USB or upload to cloud storage tied to your Microsoft account so the Xbox can access them. After transfer, launch Minecraft, navigate to Settings Storage or My Packs, import the package, and activate the behavior and resource packs in the target world. This is how the game You finalize by launching the world with the packs enabled and checking gameplay elements the mod changes. Test items, mobs, and commands to confirm success. If Minecraft crashes or behaves oddly, disable the new packs and re-enable them one at a time to find the conflicting file. This isolates issues quickly. Make sure you keep a backup of the original world and resource packs before adding mods so you can restore if something goes wrong, which saves time and prevents data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.